I didn't think this would work. Honestly, I thought it was overhyped. Everywhere I looked in 2026, people were saying, start an AI agency, sell AI services, automate businesses. But nobody showed real proof. So I decided to test it myself. No audience, no brand, no fake screenshots, just 7 days. And one simple rule: if this doesn't make real money, I quit talking about it. Here's exactly what happened. Day 1. I didn't build a website. I didn't design a logo. I didn't overthink it. I picked one very specific problem. Small businesses are overwhelmed with content. They need social media posts, email campaigns, blog articles, product descriptions, but they don't want to hire full-time staff. So I created a simple offer. I will automate your content system using AI. That's it. No buzzwords, just outcome. Day 2. Reality hit. No replies, no interest, no sales. And this is the part most gurus skip. AI doesn't make you money, positioning does. So instead of saying, I use AI tools, I changed the pitch to, I help small businesses save 10+ hours per week using automated content systems. Notice the difference? Nobody buys AI. They buy time, they buy clarity, they buy results. Day 3. First response. Not a sale, a question. How does it work? Instead of sending a long explanation, I recorded a 2-minute Loom video showing before automation, after automation, how content gets generated, and how it gets scheduled. Visual proof. That changed everything. Because now, it wasn't theory, it was tangible. Later that evening, $49. First payment. Small, but real. And that's when I knew, this isn't about AI, this is about leverage. Day 4. Instead of chasing more clients, I improved the system. I built templates, reusable prompts, automated workflows. The more repeatable it became, the less effort it required. And that's when something interesting happened. Confidence increased. Because now, I wasn't selling effort, I was selling a system. Day 5. 2 new clients, both from cold outreach. But here's what changed. I stopped talking about features. I started talking about transformation. Instead of saying, I generate posts, I said, you'll never run out of content again. That's powerful. Day 6. Revenue crossed $300. Still not life-changing, but here's what most people miss. This was built from zero. No audience, no ads, no subscribers. Just skill, AI, and positioning. Now imagine scaling that. Imagine charging $500 instead of $50, packaging it into monthly retainers, turning it into a micro agency, or teaching others the system. That's when this stops being a side hustle and becomes an asset. Day 7. Total revenue, $512. 7 days, 1 offer. No coding, no fancy website. Just identify a painful problem, use AI for speed, sell outcome, improve daily. That's it. But here's the deeper lesson. The real power wasn't the $512. It was realizing that AI compresses time. What used to take 10 hours now takes 10 minutes. And in business, speed equals advantage. If you move faster than your competition, you win. Now here's the part that matters most. If you want to replicate this, you cannot be generic, sell AI services, or compete on price. You must pick one niche, solve one painful problem, show visual proof, package it cleanly, and optimize every day. This is why most people fail. They think AI will do the work for them. No, AI amplifies your thinking. If your thinking is average, your results will be average. But if your positioning is sharp, AI becomes an unfair advantage. Now here's the question, was this a one-time thing? No, because once the workflow exists, you can reuse it, improve it, scale it, teach it, or productize it. And that's when real leverage begins. If you want me to break down the exact system I used, step by step, including the prompts, the outreach structure, and the automation setup, comment below. And if you're serious about building income with AI in 2026, subscribe, because I'm not here to hype tools. I'm here to test them and show you what actually works. We're just getting started,